We like to tell the story of how we are a regenerative farm. We give real pride in the fact that we produce a clean, green product, healthy, nutritious, and our ethos is clean and green, local to local.
I'm Alex.
I'm Susie.
And I'm Bryant, here at Eastwell Farms in the hinterland of Ussher on the Sunshine Coast. What we do here at Eastwell Farms is grass-fed, chemical-free beef and mushrooms.
Here at Eastwell Farms, we grow 3 different types of mushrooms. We grow the oyster mushroom, we grow reishi, and most excitingly, we grow lion's mane. Amazing mushroom, really, really special. It's called the vegan steak. The most amazing thing about it is the health benefits. It's really good for your brain. It's been used in Eastern medicine for thousands of years, and the West is finally catching up.
So we are a regenerative farm, so what we do is focus wholly on the health of our land first, which resonates into the health of our animals. The animals help us move forward in the overall ecological health of the whole farm. And we now know that through all that process, we can deliver a nutritiously high, valuable, tasty food. What we see next for Eastwell Farms is more of the agritourism component. More so that we can just tell the story of how regen farming is good for the whole environment.